is nothing funner than waking up on a cold autumn morning, turning on your oven, and making apple bread. This recipe is super delicious and super easy. You are going to love it. So first, we're going to really quickly make our streusel topping. It is very simple. All you have to do is combine butter, flour, and brown sugar together until it is clumpy in big pieces. As always, the ingredients are written in the description in metric and cups, so no matter what system you use, you can try this recipe too. So we're going to set aside our streusel topping, and it is time to make our apple bread. So first, we're going to combine some oil, brown sugar, and white sugar together in a large bowl and stir it really well until it comes together. Now we're going to be adding 2 eggs to this, but we're going to be adding them one at a time and stirring well after each addition. This is going to make sure that our batter is super smooth and the cake will be tender. So these eggs are room temperature. If you forgot to take your eggs out before you started baking, you can always take your eggs and put them in warm water for about 30 seconds and it will be perfect. Don't forget to add your teaspoon of vanilla. I'm not using a measuring spoon because on Bake It Simple, we always measure vanilla with our heart. So time for the apples. We have 2 freshly washed apples. We are leaving them unpeeled and we are going to be grating them right into the bowl. And then once it's added, we're just going to give it a really quick stir together. For the final ingredients, we have flour, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon. If you like, you can add any extra spices that you want. Nutmeg would go really well with this, a little bit of allspice. I was just keeping it simple to let the sweetness of the apples shine through, but again, it is completely your choice. If you do change the recipe at all, any substitutions, let me know in the comments. I love reading when you guys switch your ingredients out and the different things that you do to recipe to make it special and your own. So now that our batter is all stirred up, we are going to scrape this into a loaf pan that has been sprayed with oil. Smooth out the batter as best as you can and take pieces of streusel and crumble it all over, making sure you get an even coat. And it is time for the oven, which has been preheated to 350, and this bakes for 40 to 60 minutes. When it's done, you'll test with a toothpick, and if it comes out clean, then it is ready. This smells so good when it is baking, and as soon as it came out of the oven, everyone crowded around waiting to get their piece. It is amazing. So this is only episode 4 of Fall in Love with Baking, and I don't want you to miss any more recipes because we have so many good ones coming out. And again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again very, very soon.